Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo sidearm with baby 5/8" pin and receiver. The baby sidearm enables you to mount a light fixture or accessory at any position on the riser section of a light stand without the need for additional clamps. On one side it features a clamp that can be mounted to any riser section that's 1.25 to 1.5 inches in diameter. This arm is most commonly used with C-stands. It also provides some offset or a distance of 19.5 inches from the light stand. On the other side, the baby sidearm features both a baby pin and a baby receiver, giving you flexible mounting options. Let's mount an Elinchro monolight to the riser section of a C-stand. First, we'll bag our stand for safety. Loosen the wing nut until you can swing the bolt past the clamp to open it. Place and close the clamp around the riser section. Swing the bolt back in place and tighten until secure. Slide the baby receiver of the Elinchro monolight onto the baby 5/8" pin and secure with a set screw. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.